So welcome back to my channel, guys. Today is a car clean. So I have recently been doing my car myself. I absolutely love this car. It was purchased about 4 or 5 months ago and it is my dream car. So it's my baby, so I pay particular attention to it. And so I'm just going in there with a warm water wet cloth, and I'm just giving everything a really good wipe. I also had mud really badly on the sides of one of the footwells, so I just gave that a really good going over as well. And now I'm just going in just with my tea towel and just getting rid of the wetness that I've just kind of popped on there, and giving it a really good dry. So now I've just sprayed it with a little bit of furniture polish, and I'm just giving my dashboard a good little polish, trying to get into those vents as well to try and get all the dirt and the dust. And then also just going over my steering wheel there. And then also not leaving out the side of the doors. You'd be surprised at actually how dirty that they can get. And then onto the other side, just make sure that I'm literally getting everything that I can see, so it all looks lovely. And again, I think I was just getting off a little bit of mud there that I could see. So now I've grabbed my Shark cordless and I'm just going in and giving it a really good hoover. I keep on top of my car quite well, so although it needs a really good hoover, it's surprisingly quite quick to clean, just because I obviously do it so much. So yeah, just taking, like I say, the nozzle of my hoover, popping that on there and just giving it a really good going over. And trying to get in all the little nooks and crannies as well, making sure that kind of like all the bits, crumbs and all of that loveliness that comes with owning a car, especially when you've got children. So paying particular attention to the mats. And then lifting those mats up. They're actually really well done, they're connected to the car, so yeah, just lifting those mats up and giving them a good going over. And then, like I say, going onto the seats, making sure that they're all lovely. I did recently wash the covers. And then just giving my baby's car seat a little bit of a once over. I don't tend to feed them food in the car. So yeah, so that's a good thing. And then, like I say, just going into the back footwells, making sure that I have got any of the dirt and debris from those mats, and giving the giving the doors a really good polish as well. Looking lovely. So now I'm onto the other side, which is most probably the dirtiest side, because obviously it's the driver's side. Yeah, so just picking up, trying to get the remnants of all the rubbish, the dirt, the mud and what have you before taking out that mat. And then just lifting that mat out, because I want to give it a really good shake and go over it properly, and obviously underneath as well. This actually gets surprisingly quite dirty just because obviously it's the driver's side. So again, trying to get into the side of the seat. Does anyone else struggle with that? You need literally the tiniest nozzle, but I did manage it. And then just going around where the pedals are. And then I'm just going over the seat, the mat, sorry, just giving that a really good going over. And then popping that back in, just clicking that into place so it doesn't move about. And then, like I say, just going over it again when it is in the car to try and make sure that it is pristine looking. Like I say, I am quite particular. I am particular with my cleaning anyway, aren't I? I think if you're a regular on this channel, you will know that. But my car is my baby. I wanted this car for so long, so I do treat it well. So now, like I say, I'm just giving those doors a once over just in the back there. That is actually my eldest son's side of the car, so it's surprising how dirty that was compared to obviously the side with my little baby. I'm just giving the seats a wipe there. Again, those covers can come off. I do need to do that at some point, and just give them a little bit of a wash on the back seat. And then I'm just going into the footwell again, making sure that it's all lovely and there's no bits of mud or anything on there. And then again, just going over the mat. Surprising how dirty that is compared to the other side. So just taking it out, giving it a really, really good hoover to pick up any dirt and debris. And then just going over my mat just outside. I do find it's a little bit easier. And popping it back into the car, making sure that it's in place. And then just trying to pick up any sort of other hairs that I can see. We actually have a dog. He doesn't go in the car. It's surprising how the fact that we've got a dog. And then we literally just are wiping the pedals there, just giving it a really good wipe down, making sure that there's no kind of mud marks or dust, debris, anything like that. And I will also do the back of the seats as well in a minute. There you go. Like I say, it's just warm water, wet cloth, and just giving it a really good going over. Again, this kind of gets beaten by my little boy's wellies and all of that loveliness. So there you go, as you can see. It's all looking lovely and pristine. Pop in a new air freshener. So guys, that is the end of the video. If you've enjoyed it, then please do give it a massive thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.